This is one of my favorite recipes. I've not shared this with you yet. This is my husband's recipe, although I'm making it a little bit different than he does. You'll start off with 1 pound of ground turkey or ground beef. Add 1 whole egg. Add ½ a cup of breadcrumbs, unseasoned breadcrumbs. Then we are going to add some Worcestershire sauce, about 1½ tablespoons, and if you're using ground turkey, go ahead and add another tablespoon. It just gives that ground turkey a lot of flavor. Add a ½ teaspoon of parsley. Now I'm going to add a ½ cup of onions, and I did put these onions in the microwave for about a minute and sauteed them. And my reasoning for this is because they are crunchy if you don't. Even though you cook them in those burgers, they're still crunchy. So I like to saute them, then add some salt and pepper. Now let's give this a mix, and you want to mix this thoroughly. Over to the stovetop. We are going to add just maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to that skillet. Turn your stovetop eye or your burner onto medium. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet. Turn your stovetop eye or your burner onto medium heat, and then we are going to pat out our burgers and just lay them right in that skillet. Just like that. These will cook for about 10 minutes on each side, and I do like to put a lid on mine just to make sure they're thoroughly cooked and let them steam. It just brings a little moisture to them. And then we are going to just move those burgers aside, and we are going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom. Add about 3 heaping tablespoons of sour cream to this, and then we're just going to give it a little mix. Then add about 1/4 cup of half and half. Give it another mix, and I like to make sure that my burgers are coated really well with this sauce. Add some salt and pepper to taste, and lots of pepper. Y'all know I like my pepper. Then we're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes, and voila, it's ready to serve.